Hey guys, welcome to Furman. I'm Coleman Bergsma.
I'm Haley Mills.
And we're on the orientation staff.
Woo! Helping everyone move in on move-in day.
We're so excited to see the new class of 2022.
Yeah, welcome to Furman. Go
Go
Dins!
Dins!
Woo!
Jalen.
I'm Jeannie. I'm Caroline. And we're helping new students move in today. We're so excited to meet the class of 2022.
Hey, I'm Patrick.
And I'm Curtis.
And welcome to the carnival.
Hi, I'm Julia.
I'm Haley.
And we are at the Freshman Carnival for orientation staff. It's one of my favorite traditions. I remember when I was a freshman and I met some awesome people at the carnival.
I even rode on the swings my freshman year, one of the highlights of my freshman year.
And we're so excited to always welcome the freshmen and kick off F-Doc tomorrow.
Woo! Hi, I'm Grace. I'm a freshman here at Furman, and we just moved in 3 days ago, and we're at the carnival tonight, and our first day of class starts tomorrow.
Hey, my name is Gabe Silvera, and welcome to the Furman Student Activities Fair.
Hello, my name is Mohammed. I am a senior accounting and economics major. I'm actually an international student from Islamabad, Pakistan. So the fair is to talk about all the organizations at Furman. I'm representing Student Diversity Council, which oversees all the diverse organizations on campus. There are a total of 8 diverse organizations on campus. So yeah, come hang out with us.
Holt, and I'm a chair for the special committee on the Furman University Student Activities Board. And we plan events all the time, on campus, off campus. And today we have Succulent Bar. It's from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., 3 straight hours. Students can come pick up a succulent and grab food and juices and just enjoy this beautiful day outside.